Hello Ed, you asked for a quick video about how I'm doing on this program. My biggest takeaway after doing the high value guide was suddenly I realized I don't need to have all the course material done, because I can talk about these three reasons in a one-to-one because I know my subject very well and I can adjust it to the needs of whoever I'm coaching at that time. So I'm already ready to go to market with this as soon as I can get some advertising going on. Just a reminder, my niche is I help senior managers handle their day-to-day responsibilities proficiently and also lead ever-changing disruption and change in their organization. There's a big need for that at the moment. A lot of people have already expressed their interest. Where I am in the program, I've been through it on the videos once. I'm now going back through that and doing each of the pieces. I'm up to the point of building my funnel. I've done everything up to that point with Stripe, and a couple of other things just that are set up. So I'm eager to get into that. My biggest worry is that I keep the pace up. The tech stuff, I want to be a little bit more cautious in terms of I don't want to do a misstep and then have to redo things. So that's the little bit that I'm cautious on. But as I said before on the chat, this is the best program that I've had, and I've been through a lot of them, and I'm advancing really clearly and quickly. I can even start earning revenue off what I've already done, which is great. Thank you very much. So I'm going to switch this off now.